students, welcome to Alchemy online classes. Today we are going to discuss personal pronouns, number, gender and case. We have discussed what are pronouns and its types in our previous videos. Today we are going to discuss personal pronouns, number, gender and cases. For noun, we have already seen numbers, gender and cases. Clear? So we have seen numbers, we have seen gender, how many types of genders are there, then cases, how many types of cases are there, possessive case and all. Clear? So today we are going to see about personal pronouns. We use pronouns in place of nouns. We have to study the number, gender and case in personal pronoun as well. We have already seen that pronouns, that means the word which are used in place of noun, and today we are going to see number, gender and case. Now number, that means what? Singular, plural. Then gender, masculine, feminine, neuter. Clear? Then cases, nominative, possessive and many. And one more is there. We will see in detail one by one. Clear? So first we will talk about numbers. Clear? So here first person, second person and third person. Singular and plural. As I said you, number, that means we are talking about singular and plural. Clear? So I, me, mine. We are using this for singular, and that is first person, second person and third person. Now what is first person? I am talking to you about someone. I am the first person, you are the listener. So you are the second person. About whom we are talking, that person is third person. Clear? So for singular, I, me, mine. Second person, you, yours. And third person, he, his, him, she, her, hers, it. Clear? For plural, we, us, our. Then for second person, plural form is same, you and yours. Clear? Third person for plural form, they, them, theirs. Now we will talk about gender. We have seen that masculine, feminine and neuter gender. Clear? So I, me, mine, us, ours, you, yours. We can use this for both masculine and feminine. That means these words can be used for male and female both. Clear? He, him, his, she, her, hers, it. So he, him, his is used for masculine, that means for males. She, her, hers is used for feminine. It is used for neuter, but also used for small children and animals. It's a cute baby. Clear? So I have not pointed out whether it is a girl or a boy. Clear? I have said baby. So it may be girl or a boy. So it is used with animals as well as for children. Clear? Then they, them, their for all the genders. Clear? Because it is plural form. Clear? Let us move to the next one. Next is case. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Used as a subject in a nominative case. Subject, that means about which is coming just in the beginning of the sentence. Clear? I respect the teachers. He respects the teachers. Clear? So you can see here I is used as a nominative case. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them is used as a object, that is called as a accusative case. Clear? So you can see here my parents love me. So it is a accusative case. Clear? Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are used as a possessive case. Clear? So possessive case, that means as we have already seen, which is showing possession. Clear? This book is mine. I hope this is clear to you. Let us move to the next slide. This is a table for the whole format for three cases. Clear? First is nominative, second accusative and third is possessive. Clear? And here I have you can see the bifurcation of male and female. Clear? Now we are going to talk about first person singular, first person plural. For singular, what you are going to use? I, me, mine. For both masculine and feminine, these words can be used. For first person plural, we, us, ours. Clear? For second person, we are going to use you and yours for singular and plural both. This is used for both masculine and feminine. Third person singular, he, she, it is used for masculine. Then here he, him, his is used for masculine. She, her, his is used for feminine. It is used for neuter gender. Clear? Then third person plural form, they, them, their. It is used for all the genders. Clear? I hope this table is very easy to remember. And now we are going to solve textbook exercise. Okay? So exercise number 1. You have to fill in the blanks with I and me. Now when we are going to use I and me for singular. Clear? I shall give you the book myself. Clear? Your uncle asked me to deliver this pocket to you. My sister brought me many gifts from Japan. Clear? May I come in? You and I will go together. He is taller than me. Clear? I hope this exercise is clear. Let us move to the second exercise. Fill in the blanks using with we or us. Clear? So you have to use here we or us. We must save water and electricity. So it is our duty. So we. Clear? They should have treated us politely. We were their guests. Clear? Can you drop us at the airport? We are getting late. Next one. We should learn from our mistakes. Most of us do not learn from our mistakes. Let us hope for the best. Clear? Let us move to the next slide. Here you are going to use I, me, mine, us, we and ours. Clear? So one by one we'll discuss the exercise here. We got this car in a lucky draw. This car is a new. This car is now ours. Clear? Second one, because they are talking about plural. Can you take me to the shopping mall? I have never seen it. When will you give me my book back? I need them. Let us work as a team. We shall surely be a great success. I have brought my lunch with me. This lunch packed is mine. Clear? I hope this is clear to you when to use I, me and all. For this you have to see the table. Clear? If the table is clear in your mind, so you can solve this exercise quickly. Next one, here you have to fill in the blank with you or yours. Clear? So you and your is used for both. Clear? My library card has expired. Can I borrow yours? The principal wants you to see him in his room. Clear? So singular and plural. Did you hurt yourself in the accident? Papa has gifted you this wristwatch. It is now yours. I don't remember your address. Can you repeat it? Is this elegant pairs of shoes yours? Clear? So I hope it is clear when to use you and yours. Okay? This is the thing which I just want to explain you. For this you have to refer Extra Mark app and Diksha app where you can get the whole topic. For getting the clear concept of this, watch this YouTube video again and again. Till then, take care. Bye.